Hi everyone, welcome back to Box's YouTube channel where we do unboxing, reviews and product demos on the latest tech. Today we'll be reviewing the Acer Nitro VG270S. First of all, the design is lovely. The mostly black frame looks sleek and then the red strip on the stand gives it a unique and modern twist, which I think suits the feel of a gaming monitor. The materials feel strong and sturdy and the bezels are really thin, so gave me the maximum amount of screen space possible. The stand is really small, which is nice as it left me loads of desk space for notebooks and stationery. The stand also allowed me to tilt so I could find the perfect angle. Although I couldn't adjust the height or rotate, this wasn't too much of an issue considering its budget-friendly price point. This monitor can also be wall-mounted if you'd prefer, as it's VESA mountable. In terms of ports, we have two HDMI, a DisplayPort and an audio jack. The buttons are on the back and it also has a joystick control, which made it really easy to navigate through settings. This monitor has a 27-inch screen, which gave a generous amount of screen space. Its full HD resolution gave pretty sharp visuals and suited me well for a range of content, from the latest films to games. Its IPS panel and HDR gave vivid and vibrant colours on nature shows and animations, as it can display over 16 million colours. The colours were really good even from a range of angles, as there was barely any colour distortion. This gaming monitor has a 2 millisecond response time and an overclock refresh rate of 165Hz, leaving gaming smooth and fluid. I also didn't experience any stutter or tearing. This is probably thanks to the fact that it has FreeSync, which allowed me to get much more immersed in the games. This gaming monitor also has a range of preset gaming modes, which gave me the perfect settings for whatever I was playing in just the click of a button, whether that was racing, sports or action. You can also save custom settings to return to whenever you want, which was really handy. I really liked Acer's display widget, which was really easy to use and navigate through. It also has a black boost which gives more detail in shadows and darker areas. This was good for games such as shooters, as it allowed me to see any hidden enemies lurking in the shadows. It also has a range of crosshair features which helped with accuracy when gaming. Its blue light filter worked well at reducing any eye strain, as I didn't experience any discomfort after a full day's testing. This monitor has two 2-watt speakers, and whilst they aren't the loudest speakers out there, they are a lovely addition to the monitor, as it means I didn't have to use any additional external speakers when gaming or watching movies. Overall, this is a great budget-friendly gaming monitor that has a lovely design, cool specs and a range of features that make it awesome for gaming. What do you guys think of the monitor? Make sure to let us know in the comments below, and if you have any questions, pop them down and we'll be happy to get back to you. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with the latest tech reviews. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.